In a world where so many SUVs boast about their strength but rarely ever prove it, one vehicle continues to earn its reputation the hard way, through the dirt, the rocks, and the untamed wilderness. This is the 2026 Isuzu MU-X Off-Road, a machine built not for the pristine showroom floor, but for the world that exists beyond the end of the road. Let's start with first impressions. The 2026 MU-X steps into the new year with a refreshed and assertive design. The daytime running lights are sharper, the front grille has a stronger, more dominant presence, and the body cladding is noticeably thicker and more rugged. Its stance is wide, muscular, and incredibly confident. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. At the heart of this beast beats the legendary 3.0-liter blue-power turbo diesel engine. It produces a solid 430 Newton-meters of torque, and this isn't just a number. It's torque that you can feel, torque that is used effectively when you're climbing a steep grade, crawling over technical terrain, or towing a heavy load. It's all about that low-end grunt. Paired with a smooth and reliable 6-speed automatic transmission, the MU-X delivers quiet, confident cruising on the highway. It's perfectly comfortable on long road trips, but let's be honest, its true spirit only awakens when the tarmac ends and the adventure begins. And that's where the real magic happens. Off-road, the MU-X stands tall with Isuzu's proven Terrain Command 4x4 system. With just one quick twist of the dial, you can shift on the fly from two-wheel drive high to four-wheel drive high for extra traction on slippery surfaces. When things get really serious, you can stop and engage four-wheel drive low for maximum torque and control. For the toughest obstacles, the standard rear differential lock is your best friend. It ensures both rear wheels spin at the same speed, pushing the SUV through uneven ground where one wheel might be up in the air while the other is dug in deep. The approach and departure angles have also been improved for 2026, making it even more capable over sand dunes, through deep mud, and up harsh, rocky inclines. Whether you're towing a caravan through the outback or climbing a remote mountain ridge, the MU-X remains composed, stable, and unshaken. But rugged doesn't have to mean rough. Inside, the 2026 model brings a new and very welcome level of comfort and refinement. You'll find softer touch materials on the dash and doors, comfortable leather upholstery, and wider, more supportive seats that give the cabin a surprisingly premium feel. It's a refreshing contrast to its tough-as-nails exterior. Technology gets a major upgrade, too, with a larger, crisper 12.3-inch infotainment system that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Isuzu has also improved the noise insulation, making long journeys feel much more effortless and serene. And with 3 spacious rows of seating, the MU-X easily shifts from being a practical family vehicle during the week to a fully loaded adventure companion on the weekend. Safety is paramount, whether you're on the highway or a narrow mountain path. The latest MU-X is equipped with Isuzu's advanced ADAS suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. It's a comprehensive safety net that gives you extra peace of mind on every journey. So, how does it stack up against its main rivals? Compared to the popular Toyota Fortuner and Ford Everest, the 2026 MU-X carves out its own niche. It consistently stands out with superior fuel efficiency from its 3.0-liter engine, stronger and more usable low-end torque for off-roading, and a well-earned reputation for long-term reliability. It may not be the flashiest or the most feature-packed SUV in its class, but it's purpose-built to last and to take you anywhere and bring you back again. Ultimately, the 2026 Isuzu MU-X Off-Road isn't trying to be a luxury SUV. It's trying to be your most dependable partner in adventure. It's rugged, incredibly capable, and ready for anything you can throw at it. It is, and always has been, a vehicle built with purpose. For the family that loves to explore, for the traveler who ventures beyond the map, and for the driver who refuses to stay on the beaten path, the MU-X continues to be a name you can trust. This is the 2026 Isuzu MU-X, where legendary reliability meets the wild. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more reviews.